Welcome back. Hey, today I'm making tender and juicy pork chops in a delicious creamy garlic mustard sauce. Let's get started. And here are all the ingredients that you will need. Okay, let's get cooking. I'm adding 1 egg, salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now adding an egg and cornstarch to pork chops before cooking serves a number of purposes, especially if you want it crispy and tender. Now the cornstarch locks in that moisture, keeping the meat tender and juicy, and also creates the crispiness when you fry it. Cover the pork chops evenly. Cover them and in the fridge for an hour. Make sure they rest for half an hour before you start cooking. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over a medium-high heat. We add the pork chops and cook until they're golden brown. It'll take about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Adding rosemary and thyme because they are so well matched, adding depth and an aromatic quality to this creamy mustard garlic sauce. And now I'm adding a little bit of oil to the pan because I don't want the pork chops to stick to the pan, and I also want them to cook evenly. I'm cooking the pork chops on all sides because I want them evenly browned, and then I remove them and set them aside. I also remove the rosemary and the thyme. They've done their jobs. I reduce the temperature to medium, and then I add a little bit of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now that the butter has melted, I add my garlic and I cook until fragrant. This takes about a minute, minute and a half, and then I add pepper flakes. Move them all around, make sure they infuse in the oil really well. And it's time for the turmeric. I'm using turmeric because it has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's very healthy for you. It has a beautiful color boost, it's bright yellow, and it's a flavor enhancement. I've added my Dijon mustard, and now it's time for salt and pepper and a little bit of wine. Goes a long way. And after about 3 or 4 minutes, the wine has reduced by half, and it's time to add the zest of 1 lemon. I'm adding the chicken broth and stirring it very vigorously to loosen up all those tasteful bits at the bottom of the pan. I'm adding the cream to enrich the sauce, and this emulsifying process creates a uniform and a very stable mixture. I apologize, I didn't film the additional butter that I put just before I placed my pork chops back into this pan. I spoon the sauce over the pork chops, cover it, and 5 minutes later, oh, the creamy mustard garlic sauce is luscious and flavorful, combining the sharp tang of mustard with the warm, savory notes of garlic for a perfect finishing touch. Oh yeah. And don't forget to pair it with your favorite sides and let me know in the comments how everything turned out. And if you enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up, subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!